guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is basically on this look right here. What the hell? I was feeling really inspired by purples and pinks. I've had it in my mind to do a video like this for such a long time. I did a poll on my Instagram stories a while ago. Majority of you voted to see a look like this with purples and pinks. So here it is. I really enjoyed creating this look. For once, I felt like I could just get creative on my face, and I don't normally get a chance to do makeup looks like this on a day-to-day basis. It is definitely more of a dramatic look. Because I've just got a plain black top on, it does look kind of like, oh my god, yeah, she's got quite a bit on. If you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So my base is already prepped and my eyebrows and all the product details will be in my description box below, just like it always is. And now let's move on. So I'm going in with the shades Passionate and Sushi Flower. These are both MAC single eyeshadows. You definitely don't need these two shadows. I needed to build them up quite a bit because they're not as pigmented as normal eyeshadows in eyeshadow palettes these days. The quality isn't as great, so you definitely don't need these ones. Any will do, but these are quite a warm pink. So once I'm happy with the payoff, I'm then going to go into the shade Stars and Rockets. This is such a beautiful, unique shade. It's like an iridescent purple with a blue tint to it. I'm just laying that down from my inner corner to the center of my eyelid, and then I'm taking a fluffy brush and blending out the crease. Next, I'm going into the shade Satellite Dreams, which is lightly deeper purple, and I'm applying that to the center of the eyelid, so we're gradually getting darker across the eyelid, and then again blending out my crease. Next, I'm taking the shade Nocturn-elle, and from the center to the outer third of my eye, I'm just patting that color in and building it up so we have a nice smooth gradient before going in with the shade Sketch, which is such a classic MAC eyeshadow shade. I think everyone went through their phase with Sketch, so I'm just using that to deepen the outer third of my eye, taking that slightly higher into the crease. Next, I'm taking this nude shade, which is the shade Framed from the Urban Decay Vice 3 palette. You can use any will do. And then for the lower lash line, here I'm just taking the shades Passionate and Sushi Flower again, and I'm smoking that out along the lower lash line. So we're starting with the pink, then going in with the shades Nocturnal and Sketch, just to deepen it up so that it ties in with the rest of the eyes. And then I'm taking the shade Stars and Rockets, and I'm only applying that to the inner third of the lower lash line. Before going in with my W7 Cosmetics eyeliner, I love this eyeliner. I think it's so smooth and buttery, and it stays on all day, all night without having the need to touch up. So I'm lining my lower lash line, upper lash line, and tight lining the whole shebang. And then using my favorite technique, I'm just taking a smoky eyeliner brush and smoking that eyeliner out. Then using the same brush I used for my under eyes, I'm just taking that along my lash line to smoke out the black eyeliner so that everything sort of ties in together and looks all uniform and neat. Before applying my favourite mascara, the L'Oreal False Lash Sculpt Mascara. Here I'm just brushing away any fallout. I did apply some lashes because I'm very sorry my camera died and then I had to film again, but I'm just applying my False Lash Sculpt Mascara to my bottom lashes, and now we're moving on to the face. So for bronzer and contour, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow, and I'm using the bronzer shade just to define my cheekbones a little bit. So I'm using that under my cheekbones, across my temples and across my nose. I did use it on my jawline as well. Next, I'm taking the Primark lip pencil in number 10. This has been my go-to lip pencil this whole month. I love it so much, and I'm just using that to line my lips before applying the STILA All Day Liquid Lipstick in Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Patina Shimmer, which is a metallic liquid lipstick, and I love it. Next, I'm taking my favourite highlighter. This is a NARS Hot Sand highlighter, and I'm just applying that in all the usual places, so tops of the cheekbones, temples, and down the centre of the nose, before going in with my MAC single blushes in Pinch of Peach and Mocha.
So
So guys, that completes this week's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I had so much fun using colours on my eyes because I don't tend to do that. As you all know, I am a neutral girl, so it was nice to step out of my comfort zone and just go wild with the bold colours. Choosing a shade for my lips with this look was so hard. Oh my god, I probably tried on about 5 different liquid lipsticks to find the perfect one, but I'm really happy with the choice that I made. This look was actually inspired by Demi Lovato. My best friend Hum tagged me in a post, and I'll see if I can actually insert it. I'm not that great at editing just yet, but let's see if I can. If not, I'll link the picture below. There was this picture of Demi Lovato that she tagged me in on Instagram, and she was like, you have to do this look, Amara, it is gorgeous. And because Demi Lovato's got chocolate brown eyes in particular work so beautifully with purple as an eyeshadow. So yeah, I guess that's this week's video. I have to give a shout out to all of you that have newly subscribed to my channel. You have been making my day. I've been receiving so many positive comments and feedback and messages from you all. You are all so amazing, and I'm just in like a really happy little bubble because this is amazing for me to know that I'm reaching out to you guys and you're enjoying my content. Please keep commenting. If there's any sort of looks that you'd like to see on my channel, leave a comment below. If you're not following me on Instagram already, do give my page a follow. My Instagram handle is thatmaragirl. I will be doing more polls and posts on my Insta stories to interact with you guys, just to get an idea of what sort of content you want. I quite like doing polls as well, not gonna lie. Low-key, they are so much fun. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, thank you guys. I love you all so much. It's been lovely spending time with you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.